We welcome new surveyors to the National Board Hyperbaric Facility Accreditation process. This presentation will help you navigate the tools and resources in place to support your important role in completing effective on-site surveys for accreditation applicants. Preparation involves reviewing facility documents, understanding survey criteria, and organizing necessary tools. Proper preparation before survey sets the foundation for a smooth process. To centralize forms and links, a private, password-protected webpage has been created: www.baramedical.com/NBHNT surveys. The password for this page is Surveyor VIP in all caps. At the top of this page, you will find the Travel Expense Report, blank W-9 form, in case you need to make any changes or updates, and the Surveyor's Manual. Links to each of the individual surveys have been created for the on-site process. After the title of each, you will find a link to the online survey. Alternatively, there is a QR code also available to link you to the same online survey for each. While in person at the facility, you may use this page as your home base and click each of the surveys to fill in online in real time as you answer each question and record details and comments. The PDFs are available if you prefer to make notes by hand following the outline, then enter all of your final reports into SurveyMonkey at a later time. The PDF forms have been made fillable. In the event you have issues with SurveyMonkey's online format, you may fill in the PDF form, save and email that to me as your official report. Since we will be compiling the findings of all surveys, the data will still be entered into SurveyMonkey for record keeping and to be able to pull reports as needed. The Surveyor's Manual also contains all of the survey forms and is set up for double-sided printing. Let's quickly just run through the overall workflow as a surveyor. Congratulations! You have accepted your first invitation from the National Board to survey a facility. Now what? As the accreditation admin, I will coordinate dates between the facility and members of the surveyor team to schedule a date for the on-site survey. Surveyors will make their own travel arrangements and coordinate with their survey team members to stay in the same hotel, share ground transportation, etc. to help keep costs to a minimum when possible. If you feel you are unable to find reasonably priced or adequate travel arrangements, please contact me for assistance. If you are unsure about typical costs in an area, the National Board uses federal guidelines to estimate travel expenditures by geographical area. For reimbursement, complete the travel expense form on the Surveyor webpage. Separate submissions for pre-travel expenses and post-travel expenses are accepted. Email or text the travel expense form with receipts to me for fast reimbursement. If you have not received a response within 2 business days, please follow up to ensure receipt. When possible, the National Board uses Zelle to process payments to contractors. If you're not familiar with Zelle or prefer a different payment method, please let us know. Once dates are set, surveyors and the accreditation committee members are provided the sync link to a folder containing all submitted off-site survey documentation. As an on-site surveyor, it may be helpful to reference and compare the submitted items while at the facility. At least 1 week prior to the first assignment, surveyors will receive a 3-ring binder and clipboard by mail. The binder contains a printed copy of the Hyperbaric Facility Accreditation Survey Manual for reference and notes. These are optional tools to use while on site. You know how you work best. Please keep the binder for all future surveys, notices, and manual updates. All completed surveys should be submitted within 2 days of the on-site completion. If for any reason this is a challenge for you at any time, please contact me with details.